Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to disable the Lightbox functionality in the Divi Gallery module. By default, when you click on a gallery image, it opens in a Lightbox pop-up. However, Divi doesn't include a built-in option to turn this feature off. We'll walk you through step-by-step methods to achieve this and ensure your gallery images display without triggering the Lightbox. Let's get started. To disable the Lightbox in the Divi Gallery module, you can use either the Divi Gallery Booster or Divi Booster plugins. Both plugins provide an Enable Lightbox toggle, making this process quick and easy. By turning off this option, clicking on a gallery image will no longer open a pop-up or redirect you. If you're using one of these plugins, simply locate the toggle, switch it off, and your gallery will no longer use the Lightbox functionality. For more details on these plugins, check the accompanying post. With your gallery images already added, head over to the Gallery module settings. Once you're in the Settings panel, look for a section labeled Elements. Click on this section to expand it and reveal the options available. This is where you'll find the settings needed for customization. In the Elements section of your Gallery module settings, look for the option labeled Enable Lightbox. Once you locate it, simply click on the toggle to turn it off, setting it to No. This change will ensure that gallery images no longer open in a Lightbox pop-up when clicked. Once you've turned off the Lightbox in your Gallery module settings, don't forget to save your changes. Then, publish your page to ensure the update is applied on the front end. This step is crucial to make your adjustments visible to visitors on your site. To confirm that the Lightbox is successfully disabled, view your page on the front end. Click on a few gallery images to test. If everything is set correctly, the images will no longer open in a pop-up or link anywhere. This ensures your changes have been applied. If you'd prefer not to use a plugin, you can disable the Lightbox functionality in the Divi Gallery module with a simple CSS adjustment. By adding a small CSS snippet directly to your Gallery module, you can prevent any clicks on the gallery images, making the gallery a purely visual element. This is an effective way to achieve a clean, non-interactive display. Stick around, and I'll show you how to do it step by step. To get started, insert a gallery module into your page. In the module settings, you'll see an option labeled Add Gallery Images. Click this button to upload or select the images you'd like to include in your gallery. Once you've added your images, they'll be displayed in the module, ready for further customization. To disable clicks on gallery images using custom CSS, start by opening the settings for your gallery module. Navigate to the Advanced tab and expand the Custom CSS section. In this section, locate the field labeled Gallery Item. Here, you'll need to add a small CSS snippet, Pointer Events None. This snippet ensures that no interactions, such as clicks, can occur on the gallery images, effectively disabling the Lightbox functionality. For a visual reference, you can check the accompanying post, which includes an illustration of this process. Once applied, your gallery will now serve purely as a static visual display. Once you've added the custom CSS, make sure to click Publish to save your changes. Then, view your page on the front end to test the update. Hover over a gallery image. Your mouse cursor should remain as a pointer instead of changing to a hand. Clicking the images will no longer open the Lightbox or navigate anywhere, confirming that the functionality has been disabled. In conclusion, disabling the Divi Gallery module's Lightbox is quick and straightforward. Whether you use the Divi Gallery Booster or Divi Booster plugins, or apply a simple CSS snippet, you can effectively prevent the Lightbox pop-up from opening. Your gallery images will now display as a static collection without any clicks triggering a pop-up. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.